Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 8th of February 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Fetch.ai today because Chatgpt and a whole lot of other businesses are trying to come out with their own Chatgpt version, their own AI to try to compete with OpenAI and Microsoft. I mean, you have Google trying to come out with their Chatgpt version called Lambda. You also have Baidu. They went ahead and did a news release saying that they're coming out with their own particular type of AI. This competition is about to get fierce, and you guys can tell that Fetch.ai has also rose to the prominence of coming into this arena of artificial intelligence. That is one reason why we've seen this price in Fetch just exceedingly go higher throughout the month of January, on top of other cryptocurrencies and altcoins right alongside with the market. So it's kind of like a double whammy for Fetch.ai. They're also participating in the rumors, the noise, the news about this new artificial intelligence that's being garnered a whole lot of attention. And then overall, just the cryptocurrency has been bullish for the month of January. You guys can see that it's been a phenomenal move in Fetch.ai since the beginning of the year. Like, check this out. The market was just trading around 9 cents in the beginning of January. Here it is, February the 8th. Market has ran 573%. Amazing. So now, as with everything, it comes to an end. But before I talk about what I think the market in Fetch.ai is going to do, I always come through my videos and talk about my previous price prediction. So you guys can see this has been since like August the 18th, 2022 was the last time I did a video for Fetch.ai. You guys can see at that particular moment in time, I was playing some weakness into the market. You guys can clearly tell that price has gone down. Ultimate TP price occurred into the market in Fetch on the 19th, so it only took 1 day for us to get that 15% at the bottom, at the low, which occurred here on, let me see, November the 22nd, 2022, 47%. So congratulations to those who also saw the same thing, but obviously we need to redo the price chart because the market overall is massively bullish in Fetch. And we're going to simply identify that. Now, there's a couple of trends that's going on into the market in Fetch. This is one trend. Okay, this is one trend line that the market in Fetch was trending on. Okay, that's one. Here's the second one. It just goes to show you how strong this particular market is in Fetch. Okay, and then you have a massively strong steep slope right here. Okay, now I'm not looking for the market in Fetch to hold this steep slope line right here, this trend line. I'm not looking for the market to hold that at all. Okay, so if anything, I'm going to get rid of that. Now, there's a couple of points here that we can tell on the price chart that the market will come through as well and hold and act as support. This is namely one of them right here. Okay, so however you want to play the market, you're able to see from the chart's perspective where support is going to be. Right? The market has created steps as when price comes back down, it's going to try to test that area, that price, to see if buyers are going to be attracted and come back into the market. Okay, so that is where we're going to be focusing on today. We want to see how low price is going to go before buyers become more attractive to the price and begin to come back in the market. Okay, because this market in Fetch is massively overextended. At some point, it will come back down. Nothing's going to go up into perpetuity, especially on a fierce, steep slope like this. Okay, we cannot expect the market to hold that into perpetuity and forever. So let me go ahead and show you all the daily chart first of all. Okay, so you guys can even tell currently the market here in Fetch is down almost 6%. We topped out here twice at 60 cents. The market in Fetch for some reason could not break above 60 cents. I already know the reason. The reason is because sellers, they're dumping their Fetch into the market. They're taking the bag. They're taking profit. Okay, so currently, yes, we are noticing some weakness into the market in Fetch. You guys can see it there on the 2-day chart, 3-day chart as well. Another reason as to how we can tell sellers are coming through is by simply looking at the volume. We've seen an extreme amount of volume come in on this current 3-day price bar, and we still got 12 hours left. So this volume is going to increase on the conclusion in the next 12 hours. It's probably going to be around this much volume from the 12th or December the 9th, 2022. Okay. And you guys can see what happened to the price then. So let's get back to it. 5-day chart. Again, you guys can see how much volume is coming in. We're closing off the highs of the current 5-day price bar, which is indicative of selling. Now, let me see this on the 3-hour chart. I really want us to know how weak the market is in Fetch. Okay. Look at this on a 1 hour. So you guys can tell that we're currently trying to get buyers back into the market right here on this 1 hour price bar right there. Currently, they're not following through. There's no interest right now into the market in Fetch to continue to push this price up. So all of this selling right here is pushing the market down right here. Okay, so currently, yes, I'm looking for price to go down. The only issue is trying to figure out how low before we see some buyers entering into the market in Fetch. So currently, buyers are seeing price attractive here. Okay, this is where the buyers currently reside. They're keeping the market propped up around 49 cents. That's where they're at now. But will they be able to hold it? Here it is on the 90-minute chart. This area right here is being seen as resistance. This would be the resistance area. So if price in Fetch doesn't trade above 52 cents, maybe 53, we understand that generally the easiest way for price to move is down. Okay. You can definitely see it there on the 30-minute chart. Here it is on the 15-minute. Okay, I'm just trying to give you all a very quick look at as to how you can tell whether or not the market is strong or weak. This is the 5-hour chart, and this is definitely telling me that the market is weak. The 5-hour chart definitely tells me that there's a greater chance for price to go down than it is for it to move higher right now. And I'm going to play that right now. I'm going to play some weakness into the market in Fetch. Now, check this out though. I'm not saying that the price is going to crash. I'm not going to say that the influence that Chatgpt has been having for a lot of AI firms, if that's going to diminish, but we have some weakness right now. And I'm just simply going to acknowledge that the market currently is weak, and we're going to placate and try to see how low price is going to go. Okay. So my attention is really going to be focusing on this area right here to find support. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the 1-hour chart, and I'm going to look for price. My first price target, I'm going to put this on the market. Okay, let me bring up my magnifying glass so you guys can see my price targets. And my first price target is going to be here at 47.5, maybe like 48 cents. You guys can see that's only 6.59% move from where price currently is in Fetch. Here it is right there, 47.59. That's my first price target. My second one is going to be there around 46 cents. You guys can see that's 9.75. Move to the downside from where the market currently is. There's the price target there, 45.98. And then my third one is going to be down here like 43.5. Okay, you guys see it's around 14.75. Let's do around 43.5 cents is where I'm looking for the market in Fetch to go. Now, again, that just simply means I'm looking for buyers to come into the market. If they don't show up at any of those three levels, we're already in the correct direction as to where price is going to go. It's going to move to the downside. Okay, so we can definitely exceed 43.5 cents and go a lot lower. I just want everyone to be prepared for that, and we're going to look for price in Fetch to continue to trend that way as long as it trades below 60 cents. Okay, so let me bring this back on the daily. I'm gonna hold that trend line there. And you guys got my price targets. Let's try to run this to March. Okay, and that is it. I want you all to go ahead and give me your thoughts though. As of right now, do you think the market has a greater probability of going down, or do you think that the market is still bullish and that it's going to exceed 60 cents throughout the month of February? Go ahead and let me know. I'm through. Hopefully it was very easy to understand. If not, I got you. A lot of my videos and content, I try to put it on a simplistic way so that everyone can have an understanding as to how this game is really played. It doesn't require a whole lot of technical indicators, or you don't have to speak in some fancy jargon to act like you're some, you know, expert. It doesn't require all that. So I want you all to see how this game is really being played. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, make sure you guys trade different.